Select the desired part with the Quick Selection tool. Remove extra parts using minus mode. Create a copy of the selected area using the shortcut key Ctrl-J. Select Desaturate from the Image Adjustment menu. Open the Levels menu by using the shortcut key Ctrl-L and increase the black value of the photo. Enter the filter gallery and select Plastic Warp. Set the filter value. Set the layer's blend mode to screen mode. Add a hue saturation layer. Select Colorize mode. Enter the desired settings. Create a group. Put the image in the group. Hold down the Alt key and click between the two layers to apply the settings to the group. Create a copy of the selected layer using the shortcut key Ctrl-J. Enter the filter gallery and select Glass. Set the filter value. Adjust the opacity of the layer. Use the blur tool.
Subscribe for more tutorial.